What's up, runners? My name is Veronica. I'll be your coach today, and welcome to Ibex Running. Today's workout, one of my favorites. Are you ready? We are doing a declining Tabata workout. Now, if you've done workouts with me before or here at Ibex, you may have done a HIIT workout. This is very similar. It's under that umbrella, but it's a different type of format. So I'm gonna explain more to that as we get started with our warm-up. As always, we're gonna start with that brisk walk, anywhere from a 2.5 to 4.0. Here we go, runners. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. We're here for a minute. So Tabata, what that means is your work to rest ratio is half. So for example, our first interval today is gonna be 4 minutes of work. So that rest is going to be 2 minutes. And we're gonna drop declining, right? We're gonna drop that time as we go through those intervals, dropping the work and dropping the rest. You only have 4 today. So this is a quick workout, right? A little bit aggressive there, right? So I want you to pick up that intensity. I want you to go all in on each run. We are going to increase speed also as we are decreasing time because, runners, you can. All right, so take a nice deep breath in for me. Slow exhale, 20 seconds. We're gonna pick up that speed a little bit more in this warm up. You're gonna be anywhere from a 5.0 to 7.0. For anyone here that is new, over here on my right, you'll see all the information about the speeds and the ranges that we are doing throughout the workout. And over here on my left, you'll see the progression bar of us progressing through the workout. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, anywhere from that 5 to a 7. We're gonna be here for 2 minutes. Now, in this warm up jog here, I want you to check your form. As always, if you've done a workout with me before, you know I'm a stickler about form. Why? Because it's gonna make your workout feel easier. It's gonna allow you to go faster, and it's gonna prevent injuries, and I'm huge on that, right? If you're gonna do anything, do it well. So give me that nice deep breath in. Slow exhale, and let's check our form. So shoulders should be away from your ears, nice and tall, chest proud. We are swinging those arms from the shoulders, elbows going back. And as most important is we wanna be relaxed, right? Whatever my upper body does, my lower body's gonna do. So if I'm nice and relaxed up here, nice and open with those arm movements, my legs are gonna do the same. I'm gonna be allowed to open up that stride and really push through that treadmill. We want to be active with our movements. Don't just let that foot slap the ground, push it down. All right, most important part too is that core. Keeping that core nice and tight here. There you go, runners. The core will stabilize your run, it'll stabilize your form, it'll ground you and center you. Woo, are you ready for this Tabata? 4 intervals, that's it. So I want you to work really hard with me, all right? This workout today, it's all about mindset. From the start all the way to the finish. What you wanna do, what you wanna accomplish, think it here and make it happen with your body. 30 seconds here, excellent job. Woo! Deep breath in, slow exhale. Keep that breathing rhythmic, just like your legs right now are rhythmic. Hitting that treadmill, here we go. In 15 seconds, we're gonna pick up that run just a little bit more, just by 0.5. So anywhere from 5.5 to 7.5. Here we go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's pick it up a little bit. Good, now we always give you those ranges so that you can find where you feel comfortable, you can find where you're really challenging yourself, and you can repeat these workouts, right? So maybe the first time you do it, you might be at one end, but maybe the second time you do it, you're in the middle. Maybe the third time you do it, you're at the higher end. So this allows you to keep repeating and to see your progress. So my friends, are you ready for this workout? Tabata, remember, only 4 intervals. You got 30 seconds before that first one. I want you to increase that speed a little bit more for it. You're gonna be anywhere from a 6 to an 8, all right? We're there for 4 minutes, but remember, you get that recovery after. Now our recovery is still gonna be a jog, about this jog, all right, about this speed. So you're gonna learn to make this feel comfortable. Here we go. First interval, let's go, runners. In 3, 2, 1, 6 to an 8, let's go. 4 minutes here. Woo. Find your rhythm, right? As you speed up your pace, form doesn't change, rhythm changes. All right, so how we cycle, how fast that cycle is going, pick those feet up. There you go. Push into that treadmill, breathe. 4 minutes, hang out with me, have some fun. Whew. This whole workout right now is up to you, right? I'm here to help you and guide you. I'll lead you through it, but you are the one moving your legs. You're the ones hitting that speed. You are the one fighting to not stop, fighting to keep going. It's all up to you. You control it. Let's go, runners. Come on. Woo. What you think is what will happen. So keep it positive between those ears. There you go, runners. Guess what? You're already coming up on 1 minute. You got 3 more to go. Remember, this is the long one. It's gonna get faster and faster and shorter and shorter. Woo. I want this workout to excite you, right? When you hear the workout, when you tune in with us, the workouts could scare you or they could excite you, but I want you to excite yourself. I want you to get into this workout. I want you to be pumped for it. I want you to be ready for that next challenge. Thinking, what am I gonna do today with Ibex? What am I going to accomplish today? I as in you. What are you going to do? Woo! There it is, runners. Collect yourself in this run. Stay up nice and tall. There you go. Nice deep breath in. Everything with running is rhythmic. There you go. 2 minutes in, 2 to go. You got it. Woo. All about that mindset. Everything we do in life, from the moment we wake up to the moment we go to sleep, we control our emotions for the day. We control how we perceive what we do throughout the day, right? How we react to things. Mindset. It's a very strong, powerful thing. You control that. Here we go. Let's go, runners. Come on. Woo. You should be able to hear your steps on your treadmill or hear your steps on the ground. Hear a rhythm. Make sure you're pushing evenly with both feet. There you go. Nice deep breath in. Slow exhale. Stay with me, runners. Guess what? You're coming up on 1 minute to go. 1 minute to go, and then we do that recovery. Now remember, Tabata, it's half the work. So we did a 4-minute interval. You're giving me a 2-minute rest. And yes, we're runners, so we're gonna keep running during that recovery. Whew. There we go. 4 minutes. This is the long one. And then I want you sprinting to that finish line. There it is. Let's see it right here. Last 30 seconds of this interval. You should be between that 6 and 8. Where are you in that range? There it is. 20 seconds. Come on, countdown's going. Focus on you. I want you to stare straight ahead. I want you to stay relaxed. I want you to fight. Good. We got 10 seconds. That's it, runners. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take that speed down between a 5 and a 7. 5 and 7. There we go. You got 2 minutes here. There it is. Now, remember we said this is a declining Tabata. You're welcome. So our second interval here is going to be at 2 minutes. All right, instead of 4 minutes. Whew. So 2-minute recovery right here. And then it's go time for that second one. All right, now because time is declining, that doesn't mean speed declines, right? We're gonna increase that speed. So think back to where you were on that last interval. Remember, it's not as long, so you can go faster. All right, and when we go faster and when we struggle, and when we hit speeds we never hit, it's going to be tough. It's gonna be hard. But those are the ways that we grow, right? Those are the ways that when the next time, it feels better and better. So struggle with me on it. 1 more minute here, and then interval number 2. Whew. Short workout today, all right? No time to give up on yourself. Only time to dive right into it. There we go, runners, come on. Excellent job. Use this moment here in this recovery jog to really take those deep breaths in, to really control that heart rate, control your breathing, to collect yourself, gather yourself, and get ready for that next interval. Here we go, 20 seconds. And then this one, we're bumping up by 0.5. So I want you at 6.5 to 8.5 here for 2 minutes. All right, are you ready, runners? Yeah, you are. Let's go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. We're at 2 minutes. 2 minutes here. Come on. Pick up that speed with me. You're staying tall. You're staying smooth. Remember, mindset. What you say to yourself matters. So keep it positive. Make it exactly what you want to do in these 2 minutes. That time, right? That's what you have. There's no right time. There's no wrong time. There's just time and what you choose to do with it. So I'm giving you this 2-minute interval. What are you choosing to do with it, runners? Come on. Woo. That's it. Feeling good. That's what you keep telling yourself. I'm feeling good. And I'm gonna feel better and better as I do these. Consistency is key with running. The more you do it, the better you're gonna feel. The more you do it, the smoother, the more relaxed, the more automatic that form is. When you're first starting something, you have to think about it a lot. Think about what you're doing, right? But once we do it more and more, it becomes something automatic. Like walking, right? You don't have to think about how to walk. You just do it. Same thing with running. Running will be the same way for you. Here we go, come on. Woo. 30 more seconds. 30 more seconds in this interval. And then we have that recovery. But it's half, remember, so it's only a minute. And you're gonna go back down to that recovery speed we had before. You guys are doing so great. So great, runners. Come on, 15 more seconds here. Stick with it with me, come on. That's it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it down to 5 to 7. You earned it, runners. You earned it. 60 seconds right here. And then interval number 3. All right, again, cutting in half, so it's gonna be 60 for this. All right, 1 minute of work. Again, we're bumping up that speed. And I don't want you to be scared of that speed. I don't want you to be scared of the struggle. I don't want you to be scared to go hard. All right, because it's unknown. Maybe you've never gone that speed before. Or maybe you have, and maybe you weren't successful, but what if this time you are? What if? We could play the what if game all day. So, this next one, 60 seconds, I want you 7 to 9 runners. Woo, let's get pumped for it. Where do you want to be in that range? For 1 minute, 15 seconds here. If you need a sip of water, grab it now. Let's go, let's go. You got it, runners. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's hit it. Pick it up. Come on, it's only 60 seconds. Take it up nice and tall. Find that new rhythm. There you go. Push into the treadmill. Woo! I used to always tell my sprinters, my runners, when you're running, you want to feel like you're 6 inches taller than you actually are. So be up nice and proud. Quick off the ground. You might notice as you pick up speed for you that your heels come off the ground, they lift a little bit. That's okay. That's allowing you shorter ground contact time. That's allowing you to get off the ground faster so you can move faster. Come on, 15 seconds here. Woo! Let's go, let's go. You're going back to that recovery, but it's 30 seconds. Tabata, let's go. 4, 3, 2, 1, 5 to 7. Take it down, 30 seconds. Runners, this is it. Number 4. All right, we're cutting in half. 30 seconds, and this one, all out. Are you game? Of course you're game. You're an IBEX runner. All right, 30 seconds. As fast as you can, as hard as you can. Don't think, just do. All right? Our range, 7.9 Or 7.5 to 9.5. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 30 seconds. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let that treadmill speed up. Let that stride open up. Stay tall. Bring it all together right here. 15 seconds. Woo! This is what Tabata feels like. This is what hard work feels like. Come on. Stay here with me. Last 5. Let's go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it down. 5 to 7. 5 to 7 right here. Woo! Ibex. Unbelievable. Welcome to Tabata. Woo! 60 seconds right here. All right, let's let the heart rate come down a little bit. A little bit more active recovery, but you did it, my friends. Congrats on completing yet another workout. So proud of you guys. Whew. 30 seconds. This isn't where we fall apart, though. All right, we still want to hold ourselves together. This is a lot of times where people get injured because they're like, oh, I'm done. And they let everything fall apart. Keep it together. Come on. 20 seconds here, and then I'll let you walk, okay? Stay with me. Whew. That's it. 10 more seconds. And then we take it to that walk, 2.5 to 3.5, all right? Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it down to that walk. Good. It's always so important to add in that cool down at the end of a workout because you just elevated your heart rate, you elevated your body temperature, blood pressure, everything. You just worked really hard. We want it to come down slowly, and we want to help the body recover, and we do that by still keeping it moving. I know a lot of people think that's counterintuitive. Like, Veronica, I'm tired. I want us to stop. Keep your body moving. Force it to keep moving. Resist holding on to those handlebars. And smile. Be proud of yourself, runners. You completed declining Tabata, and it was fast. It was short. It was intense. It was aggressive. I told you, right? It was going to be challenging, but you did it. So evaluate how you did on this one. Maybe you do it again. It's a quick one. It's a good one to throw in on days maybe you're super busy or on days you just need to go and attack it. All right? We give you that range so you can keep improving. You can keep working. Awesome job, runners. 3, 2, 1. Take it off. If you want to keep walking, you want to keep moving, please feel free to do that after this video. Keep it moving. Keep recovering. Hydrate. Awesome job. Comment on the video. Tag Ibex Running. Tag me. I love cheering you guys on. Awesome job today. Thank you for tuning in. I'll see you next time in Ibex Running.